Well, as you can see, all the projects are getting larger and larger, and the demand from the clients and from the whole ecosystem is lowering of LCOE. So all the vendors, all the OEMs are kind of trying to find solutions to lower the LCOE of the project. And to do that, the modules are getting bigger, the trackers are getting bigger. We're also trying to find ways of how to optimize costs on the tonnage, on the structural designs. And I believe that this competition and this kind of optimization is going to be there over the next years to come, as the size of plants increases and the demand for solar increases. We're showcasing Axon Duo Infinity, and of course, to lower the LCOE, there are various things that we are doing on the R&D stage and on the execution stage now. So with Axon Duo Infinity, we are promising the lowest number of posts per megawatt, okay, to reduce the installation costs, especially if you have concreting as a solution. We're also providing terrain following trackers. This is to reduce the earthworks required at site and to optimize the overall costs of installations. The tracker is now longer. We have a 140-meter long tracker. It can also be a single row or a dual row to further optimize the LCOE. So, of course, rigorous efforts and R&D have been made to ensure that we're optimizing all parts of the design to be cost competitive while also building a very, very resilient tracker. It's really important for PVH to ensure continued and a very robust supply chain. To do this, PVH has set up a factory in Saudi, and we're the only manufacturers to have our own in-house tube mill. And this is crucial because we have a huge pipeline in Saudi, 20 gigawatts in a year to be supplied, and limited amount of tube mill suppliers. So having this in our control really helps us accelerate the execution of our projects. Moreover, wind speed ramp rates are important to consider while designing the tracker, and for this we've designed Axon Duo Infinity, which is a bi-directional tracker, and that basically means that it is able to stow in any direction, and that helps us in stowing as soon as possible to the safest position, being 2.5 minutes to stow from the worst scenario. And it can take both pressure and suction, and making sure that it is more resilient than all other trackers in the market. Corrosion is as well something very important, and we need to look at it for specific projects, and we're designing for very high corrosion rates from C4 to C5 to ensure that the environmental conditions are taken into consideration while designing long and robust solar plants.